Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now let's go to the next topic, which is synthetic division. So in this synthetic division, I will show you the quick method, a shortcut method, but not all of division can use synthetic division. This is only when your divisor is in terms of x minus c. Okay, for example, this question here, x squared plus 4x minus 8, you want to divide by x minus 2. So you know that if it is a linear x minus c, you can use synthetic division. So now since your x is power of 1, this is a linear, therefore you can solve. So the first step is you need to find for c. So how can you find c? So from x minus c, let's just solve. X minus c equal to 0. Therefore, you'll find the value of c. Now let's try using example 1. So your divisor is a linear x minus 2. So now let's solve this. So you have got the answer of x equal to 2. So this is actually the value of your c. So now let's put your c here, which is 2. And then here, let's put all of the coefficient. Okay, so this is a polynomial with degree 2. So you must write here coefficient of power of 2, coefficient of power of 1, coefficient of constant. So for the first one, the coefficient for x power of 2 is 1. Next, coefficient for x power of 1 is 4. And the coefficient for your constant is minus 8. So now you have finished preparing for using synthetic division. So now let us try to do synthetic division. So let us see the rules here. Whatever goes down, meaning that you are adding them up. And whatever goes up here, this must be multiply c. So now let's try to do it. 1 plus 0, this is 1. Now since your c is equal to 2, so 1 times 2, this is equal to 2. Now add them up. 4 plus 2, this is 6. And then go up here times 2, so this is 12. And finally, let's add this up. This is equal to 4. So now you have finished doing the synthetic division. Let us now conclude our answer. So whatever you got at the back here, this is actually your remainder. And whatever you got here, this is the coefficient for your quotient. Therefore, qx is equal to, this is constant, this is power of 1. So 1 x to the power of 1 plus 6. Therefore, let's conclude our answer. Polynomial divided by divisor is equal to quotient, which is x plus 6, plus remainder, which is 4, over divisor, which is x minus 2. So this is your final answer. Now let's proceed to the next question here. X to the power of 4 plus 2x squared plus 4. Now we want to divide it by x plus 3. So first step, let us find what is our c. So let's solve. X plus 3 equal to 0. X is equal to minus 3. So meaning that now your c is equal to minus 3. So let's put your c here, minus 3. And then let's put all of the other coefficient on the other side. So this is a polynomial with degree 4. So you should write the coefficient for power of 4, power of 3, power of 2, power of 1, and also constant. So let's start with the coefficient for x power of 4. This is 1. And then coefficient for x power of 3. You don't have any of that. This must be 0. And then coefficient for x power of 2. This is 2. And then coefficient for x power of 1. Again, this is 0. And finally, it is constant, which is 4. And let's rewrite what we should do. Whatever goes down is plus. Whatever goes up is multiply c. So let us start to do it. 1 plus 0, this is equal to 1. And then 1 times minus 3, this is equal to minus 3. So 0 plus minus 3 going down is plus. this is minus 3. And then again, minus 3 times your c minus 3. So this is equal to 9. And then add them up, 9 plus 2. This is 11. And then here again, 11 times minus 3. So this is minus 33. Add this up. This is equal to minus 33. Then let's multiply minus 33 with your c minus 3. So this is equal to 99. So finally, 99 plus 4, this is equal to 103. So now let's conclude your answer. This is your remainder. And this is coefficient of the quotient. So let's write quotient here. The lowest one is constant. So constant, power of 1, power of 2, power of 3. So let's start here. 1x power of 3 minus 3x squared plus 11x minus 33. So now let's write this quotient here and this remainder here in terms of division algorithm. So now let's write the final answer. Your polynomial divided by divisor is equal to quotient plus remainder over divisor. Now let's go to the next example. Px is equal to 4x to the power of 5 minus 37x cubed plus 6x squared minus 1. Now you want to divide it by 2x minus 1. Okay, so this is a linear because x is power of 1. However, in order to find the c, we need to do some adjustment. Okay, so from 2x minus 1, first let's factorize out 2 outside. Therefore, you're left with x minus c. So let's solve this. X minus half equal to 0. Then you will get your c. c is equal to half. So now let's try to solve this by synthetic division. Let's put in half here as you see. And then divide it by the coefficient. So this is coefficient for x power of 5, x power of 4, which is 0, x power of 3, x power of 2, x power of 1, and stop at constant. So let's do the calculation right now. Now the number here, 4 plus 0 is 4. And then times half up here, this is 2. And then plus, go down, this is 2. And then go up here, times half. So this is 1. Then minus 37 plus 1, this is minus 36. And then times with half, this is minus 18. So 6 plus minus 18, this is minus 12. Then minus 12 times half, this is minus 6. 0 plus minus 6, this is minus 6. And last one, minus 6 times half, this is equal to minus 3. And then minus 1 plus minus 3, this is minus 4. So let us describe our answer. This is your remainder. So all of the other term here. So this is coefficient of your quotient. So let's conclude our quotient first. So this is for constant, power of 1, power of 2, power of 3, power of 4. So it is 4x power of 4 plus 2x cubed minus 36x squared minus 12x minus 6. So if you see this division algorithm, the way to write the answer here is polynomial over your divisor is equal to qx plus rx over 2x minus 1. However, right now we are not dividing by x minus half, we are dividing by 2x minus half. So let us just substitute here. Instead of 2x minus 1, now we are doing 2 times x minus half. So we also need to divide by 2 here because just now we are just doing the polynomial divide x minus half. So we need to multiply 2 here and multiply 2 also on your right hand side. So in overall, for your quotient, you cannot take the answer straight away here. You need to take the quotient and divide by 2. So that's the real quotient that you should have. So from here, let's divide by 2. It's 2x power of 4 plus x cubed minus 18x squared minus 6x minus 3. So this is the quotient, and the remainder doesn't change, it is still minus 4.